Hi guys, today I will show you how to connect Stripe to Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to Shopify's dashboard using your user credentials. Now, you'll have to first of all click on the settings option at the bottom left corner of your screen and you will see the general settings for your store. In this, you'll have to search for payments option. Make sure you navigate to payments option, click on payments and you will see the payment page for your Shopify account. Click on choose a provider option. When you click on choose a provider, click on filter third party payment providers option and search for Stripe. Now click on Stripe and this is going to open another page that is Stripe's home page. Now on this page, you can see you'll have to download the free Google Authenticator app, click add and then scan this QR code to set up your account. You can also click on enter code manually instead or click on next. Now enter the verification code from your Google Authenticator app and you'll be taken to the Stripe page where you'll have to enter your Stripe profile credentials and you'll have successfully added Stripe with Shopify. So that's how you can connect Stripe to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up.